Hi. Are you Daddy's girl?
No.
No. Are you Daddy's girl?
Yeah.
Can you say Daddy's girl?
Daddy girl.
Can you say Liev?
Liev.
Can you say Aiden?
Edith.
Can you say Mommy?
Mommy.
Can you show me your doggies and tell me what their names are? Who's that?
That Bubble.
That's Bubbles. Okay. Now can you show me the other doggy? Who's that?
That Bill.
What's that doggy's name?
Brutus.
Brutus. That's right. What about your other doggy?
Dodo.
Shadow? Do you love your doggies? Do you love your doggies? Oh, did he get in the cereal? You want me to clean up? You want me to help clean Shadow up? Alright, let's clean him up. Can you say bye-bye?